Once you have connected your first sales channel, it's time to start creating new product listings and offers to sell your products. Please note, if you are already selling on Amazon, eBay, or Google and wish to connect your existing product listings to your channel cloud, you can learn how by watching the videos linked below in the video notes. The listing view is where you will be able to create, edit, and manage your sales channel listings and offers to sell for your products. The listings view can be accessed from the top menu, and while in the listings view, you can choose between 3 different listing modes, each of which offer a different way to create and manage your sales channel listings. Single edit mode, multi-edit mode, featuring the Codisto XpressGrid, and attribute mapping mode. You can switch between modes at any time from within the listings view with the drop-down listing mode selector here, and all 3 modes can be accessed directly from the home screen using navigation cards. Let's take a moment to briefly look at the 3 listing modes that we will be exploring in this module. Single edit mode. Single edit mode makes it easy to create or edit individual product listings and offers to sell on your connected sales channels. This is a great way of becoming familiar with the requirements and options for selling your products on the different sales channels available in Channel Cloud. Simply select your connected sales channel to see your products, then select a product to manage its listing and offer status, the sales channel fields for that product, and the settings and rules used to create your sales channel values. While single edit mode is great for creating and managing sales channel product listings individually, if you have a large catalog of products, you may prefer to manage multiple listings at once with multi-edit mode and the Codisto XpressGrid. The Codisto XpressGrid is an easy-to-use, spreadsheet-style interface that lets you create and manage sales channels listings in bulk or in filtered groups across your entire product catalog. To access the XpressGrid, simply select multi-edit mode from the listing mode selector and select one of your connected sales channels. With complete search and filter options, bulk edit capability, and the ability to use rules and operators, the Codisto XpressGrid is a powerful and versatile tool for managing your channel cloud integrations. The final mode available in the listings view is the attribute mapping mode. This listing mode allows you to map fields from your online store catalog to your sales channel product listings. This is a powerful way for merchants with sales channel specific data to manage their sales channel integrations. For the videos in the rest of this module, we will explore these 3 views in greater detail, starting with single edit mode.